Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these pretty awesome LED number plate lights. So these products are obviously from Car Enhancement UK. Not bad price either. I'll leave a link down in the description. I have already fitted them, but what I'm going to do is take one out and just show you how to fit it, if that makes sense. I've had these fitted for quite a while and I absolutely love them. They're really, really good. As you can see, they are pretty bright, and at night, like, people do get a little bit pissed off, I think, because they are seriously bright. But it looks pretty bloody awesome, especially when you're parked up and you just unlock your car, you see them shining. It looks bloody awesome. So let's jump in and I'm going to show you how to install one. Okay, so I'm trying to film this and it is going to be a little bit backwards. So what you want to do is get this sort of like a little tool. So I'll show you. So I can find it in my pocket. So I'm using a really tiny little Allen key. Because see this little bit here, that little hole there, got one either side. You want to push something into this, just like so. My hand's in the way. Just like so, and just push it out. Kind of hard doing it one-handed. So you want to pop it in and just push it out just like so, as you can see. And it just comes out like that. Before I carry on, I want to just say, obviously this is the upgrade one. This is not how your standard one will come out, but I'm going to explain to you how the standard one will come out. Okay, so when you remove the standard one, you get the bulbs in that. Don't worry if it's a bit burnt out, doesn't matter. It's not going to affect it or anything like that. The bulb comes out and this comes out with it, so that's what's normally in it. You get rid of this, take the bulb out. You don't need this bit any longer. So you simply have your new light. You plug this bit into there. If it doesn't work, just spin it round and plug it in again. It will go one way. I'm going to click that up and then I'll show you what to do next. It's all connected up now. It just looks like that. People are going to probably say, oh, it shouldn't be burnt out like that, but honestly, hundreds of people, that's fine. That's not a problem at all. You can even get replacements of this bit, so it doesn't really matter, for like a couple of quid. So most importantly, guys, let's make sure they work. So plug it in, and all you literally have to do, I'm trying to hold the boot, plus hold my phone, plus do this. It's a nightmare. Get your key, just press the unlock button, boom, and it comes straight on. Last but not least, all we need to do is just get this bit, push that up, just like so, take it in, and it literally pops straight in, just like so. And then you just do the exact same on the other side. It's easy as that, guys. So this is a really cheap, quick, easy mod to do to the ST, and it does make a huge amount of difference. It does make it look pretty sick at night, even in daytime. If I try and find my keys, like, you can notice straight away that they're on. It is really, really good at such a cheap price as well. Link down in the description. I want to just say sorry for if there's not going to be any uploads for like the next week or two. I'm actually going on holiday, so this is why I'm posting this video, to show you guys what it's like, how to install it, and I'll get a video out for you guys. So guys, please keep supporting the channels the way you're doing. It's absolutely smashing it. Follow me over on Instagram, LR_180. Send me a message, you know, like the post, get some conversations going, guys. Thanks as always. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.